Okay, so Unit 11, transformations, translations. A translation is a transformation that maps all points of a figure the same distance in the same direction. A vector is a quantity that has both magnitude and direction and is how we represent a translation of points or figures. So let's look at the first one. From A to J, what did I do? How far did I go from the right? Well, from A, I went over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I went to the right 6, and I went up 3. So how am I going to write this as a translation? Well, there's a couple of ways. You can say x plus 6 and y plus 3. Or you can say 6, 3. Or as a vector, we can write it as 6, 3. Vector notation. And there's more than, it's another way for vector notation, but you don't have to worry about that. So for B, we have what happened from H to B. So H, how far did I go to the left or right? Well, didn't move. And so how far up did I go? I went up 7. So vector notation would be 0, 7. Translation notation 0, 7, or x, because we didn't add anything, so we don't write x plus 0. So it's just y plus 7. Given the translation and the vertices of the pre-image, find the vertices of the image. The translation of 4 units to the right and 3 units down. So basically, I'm doing x plus 4, and 3 units down is y. There's no parentheses there. It's a comma. Y minus 3. So 6 plus 4 and 1 minus 3. So my image would be 10, negative 2. Okay, so negative 3 plus 4 and 2 minus 3. So we have 1, negative 1. And negative 7, 0, so negative 7 plus 4 and 0 minus 3. Will give me negative 3, negative 3. Given the translation and the vertices of the image, find the vertices of the pre-image. So this one, we're actually going backwards. Remember, we go from pre to image. So pre to image. image. And they're telling me that we are given this, the second part. So we're going to do the opposite. So since the translation is 2 units to the left, well, left would normally be -2, but I'm going to do the opposite, and I'm going to do x plus 2. And then up 3 units, well, that will be y plus 3, but the opposite would be y minus 3. So if I do 3 plus 2, I'm going to get 5. And 2 minus 3 gives me -1. -3, -3 plus 2, 4 minus 3, and I get -1, 1. 6 plus 2, and -1 minus 3, 8, -4. Given the translation, draw the image of triangle ABC. So I'm going to take each point and I'm going to translate to the right 4. So C, I'm going to go to the right, and I'm going to go down 1. So my new point is right 4, down 1. So we're going to call this C prime. Then B, we're going to go to the right 4, and down 1. And we're going to call this B prime. A, we're going to go to the right 4, and down 1, and we're going to call that A prime. And then connect A prime to B prime, A to C prime, and B to C prime. And that is my translation. Okay, this one you need to do on your own, and make sure you go check on the next one, dilation.